Hey guys, Samantha here. I have StitchFix with me today, and as you guys know, I'm a huge StitchFix fan. I have been a subscriber since May of 2015. I have received well over 30 fixes. I probably should figure out what number I'm on. Anyhow, if you go to my blog, you can see where I have raved about StitchFix for years. I had the same stylist, Sarah, from the inception in 2015 up until about midway through 2017, end of 17 into early 18, and I started to see her becoming spotty. By mid 2018, she was gone. So I assumed like maternity leave. We talked all the time. I would get a note, nothing. Here I am 1 year later, and I have had a different stylist pretty much every single fix, which have been less than every month because I have become more and more unsatisfied with my fixes, which is making me decrease the shipment. I also, from like 2015 to 2017, kept almost every single box, like 5 out of 5 on every box. I was in love. And then you can kind of see in 17, 18, my posts slow down. That's because I wasn't keeping anything. And oh my gosh, 18, 19, I don't think I've posted a single box because I have not been keeping anything. Sarah got me. My clothes fit perfectly. Everything was amazing. I've had Jason, Jamie, Jennifer, Angelique. I brought them with me. I brought all the forms with me. And they don't get me. And so I'm here to say, for years, many of you messaged and said, oh, Sam, you clearly have a killer stylist. You have some kind of secret. You have some kind of something you're doing, because we're not getting those clothing in our fixes. We're not getting that styling in our fixes. We're getting burnt out, and you're not crazy. I'm learning more and more that I was super blessed to have an amazing stylist, and I must have gotten in a good loop. Yes, I communicated effectively. I updated my Pinterest boards. I made likes and dislikes list. I was very, very effective in communication, but I have not ceased that effectiveness in communication, and my fixes have really fallen off. So I'm here to encourage you guys to say, you're not alone. I'm not going anywhere. I love the service. The service doesn't cost me anything. The 20 bucks I spend for them to ship stuff to me, I buy at least one item. And if I get a box where I can't buy one item, I email customer service and say, this box or this fix so missed the mark that I need another box, or I need my credit back. And they are accommodating all the time. So I don't have any complaints. What I do want to show you is my latest fix. I got this top in my latest fix, which is not my style at all. I am a very skinny girl, so I don't like putting on tops like this. Like, these are typically flowier tops that women like if their belly is a problem area. And it's just, in general, not my style. So I'll be sending it back because I don't like it. And I put it on and my husband laughed at me. No joke. I told them I need denim shorts, no more white shorts, because I have like 5 pair, but I only am down to 1 pair of denim shorts. So they sent me these white shorts, and it's in the Just Black brand. Just Black brand runs very large, and they stretch. I'm a size 24. They sent me a 26. Doesn't even make sense. Totally am loving these. They sent this set of shorts overalls, and I love them. Love them, love them, love them, love them. They are closer to matching my request for denim, except for they're ginormous on. I mean, you could see me holding them up here. They're huge. So, yeah, sending that back. These shorts are also way cute. I think they're a great effort to meeting my request for shorts. I did get a note from her saying they didn't have any denim shorts in stock. How, in early summer, do you not have any shorts in stock? These are also way too big. Cute, but way too big. And so I will be sending that back. And got this top. And it looks okay on me. I'm going to try this on one more time and show it to my husband. If he likes it, I'll consider keeping this top. Yeah, to save my $20. So that's probably going to be the item. I liked it. I thought it was cute. I think I've just got attitude now. You know how that happens? Like, you get attitude. Like, when I requested this fix, was very, very purposeful in it because I needed it. I needed the clothes. Like, I needed the clothes. And I haven't been getting good fixes, so I really, really need the clothes. So, I don't know. I did go through and update my notes. I dropped my sizing down to the smallest that they offer to see if that helps, like, I don't know, trigger some people. I'm writing notes. I've requested Sarah back 1,000,000 times, and I even got an email back that said, Sarah's back from maternity leave. We'll get her on your fix next. And then I still haven't seen her. This one was done by a girl named Emily, who informed me that they have no denim shorts in stock. Here's the note right here. And told me about what she did here. I don't know if Emily has ever looked at my YouTube channel or my blog or anything. I don't know. That might help some of these people to learn about me and my things. So I don't know. I just thought I would get on here and tell you guys you're not alone, because I know several of you were getting so frustrated that y'all were seeing me getting 5 out of 5 fixes for like 2 years straight. And my silence has been in part due to being busy, and it just is a pain in the butt to stop and film when you don't get paid to film. But I do want to inform you guys. You can see I'm hiding out in here, and you can see half my living room's in here. We've gutted out my entire office, both of my living rooms, in entryway and complete, because we're remodeling. And I will be posting a video on here, a great time lapse of that. You can also follow along on the blog, thepinkenvelope.com, to see that remodeling taking place and see why I'm filming in such rogue, weird places like the floor in my bedroom. Anyhow, we'll see what happens. I'm going to request another fix and see if we can get it rectified. My kids' stitch fixes for kids have been pretty stellar. My youngest is keeping them all. Keeping all the things. They fit her great. My oldest has been a little more hit or miss. And my hubby has been hit or miss. I don't know, Stitch Fix. Talk to us. Tell us what's going on. We love you. We want to be in love. We want to give you our money. What do we need to do? I have more coming you guys way soon. I've got, I think, some front door fashion coming your way. I may have some motobox coming your way. I'm lifting my head and seeing what else is out there. So y'all let me know. If there's a women's clothing box I should try, let me know. All right, guys, I'm going to link up below in the comments Stitch Fix boxes from the past so you can take a peek. And I can give you $25 to go shop with. So if you want to try them, they don't cost you anything. And you actually will get a free $25 to shop with. So let me know. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. I'll see y'all later. Bye, y'all.